So how can you reality shift using an easy method? I feel like I owe this one a mention because I got super close to shifting using this. I'm so mad at myself because after I got done with the method, I felt my surroundings change, but I got too scared and killed the vibe and ended up remaining in my CR. Oh my god. As long as you don't do that, you will be able to successfully shift using this. This is an easier self-made version of the mosmos technique, or also known as the double-sided staircase method. First thing you're going to do is make sure you are in a calm state, and you can have a subliminal playing in the background if you like. Then what you're going to do is get into a comfortable position of your desire. Then relax all your muscles. Close your eyes and imagine you're in a small room with a big staircase in front of you that's leading upwards. You'll be in this room as your CR self. Walk up the staircase slowly and visualize a trip down memory lane from your DR. Both good and bad memories. Don't just focus on the good and don't just focus on the bad. Remember both. Keep doing that until you have reached the top of the staircase. And remember, really take your time with this. Walk up the staircase slowly and control your breathing. When you reach the top of the staircase, there should be a mirror. Look into the mirror and you will see your desired reality self. And realize this is it. You have accepted your new experience. Then turn around and there should be a door. As you're walking towards the door, you will feel a rush of positive energy rising with each step you take. Once you have reached the door, open it, and you have arrived in your desired house. You will be greeted by someone important to you in your desired reality. They're going to smile at you and you're going to smile back. Then you're going to go to your desired bedroom and get into the same position you started at the beginning of the method. And once your DR self falls asleep, that's when you yourself can fall asleep. Then one or two things will happen. You will wake up in your desired reality, or you will wake up in your current reality, and the next time you wake up, you will be in your desired reality. And also, I just want to point this out. Don't overthink of the specific design of what a staircase is to you or a door is to you. Just visualize what a staircase would mean to you and what a door would mean to you. And in my opinion, this is a self-made version of the mosmos technique that I made. Is easier than the old one because this one you're bringing yourself more to your knowing that you're already in your DR. Because in the old one kind of puts you more in that logical left brain type of thinking that still keeps you attached to your CR, given it has steps that requires you to think about your CR. So yes, I hope this helps. And also, you should never try to shift without being subscribed to this channel because if you do, it just won't work. I'm kidding. I love you all. Happy shifting. Hope you all go home tonight.